My name is Ribbon and welcome to my YouTube channel, Ribbon's Cards, Games and Comics. Today I will be unboxing this, my second graded comic. Now you all seemed to like the first video, so I'm going to come back with another one. But first I would like to shout out Coffee and Hughes. They are the shop I bought my graded comic from. I bought most of my other comics. Coffee and Hughes is a collectible shop in Smithfield Market where you can buy everything from manga and anime up to graded comics and very famous ones as well. Everything you need to be a collector. So without further ado, let's get into this guy. I'm just going to start by opening this up. I'm going to leave it to surprise you what type of comic it is. So I get through into it. You can kind of see the back there, but you can't really see the front. So let's see if you can tell. Oh, sorry. You can see through the back, not too good enough, but can't see through the front. So I'm going to get opening this. This is one of my favourite types of comics. Great. It's going to be a great one to hang up on my wall beside my Venom one over there. So, just opening it now. Getting deeper into it. And flipping it over. And you can probably tell what it is now. It is a Star Wars comic. This is a Star Wars comic. It's the first in this series. It is a 9.8 in gradings. It is a limited edition comic edition. It's a limited edition comics. Yeah, edition. It's a variant edition as well. So love this so much. The artwork of Darth Vader on that of Boba Fett is just beautiful. Just beautiful. Here is the back. It shows a ton of comics that might be all the limited edition comics from 2005 to 2015. Now this, I'm just going to remove the wrapping on this so you can get a better look at it. And I'm taking it out now. Ta-da! This is a massive comic. It's massive. You can get many comics like this in Coffee and Hughes, so go and check them out. And it's so cool. Just looking at that makes you feel like, wow. It's such a cool edition of Star Wars. So, well, that's all I've got to say for the video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and turn on the post notifications so that you get notified anytime I release a new video. And thanks for watching, everyone. Goodbye. Have a nice day.